ago, I could have been dead, as I was crying on a pillow in a hospital bed, trying to get my head around what the doctor said, why I'm being challenged by a game in my head. I tried to overdose myself that night. Yeah, I sure did give my family a fright. They rushed me to hospital as I was pale and white, my body numbed up as I was a floating kite. I regret trying to take my life that day, but too much got in my fucking way. I guess I didn't feel like I wanted to stay here in this world another day. People will probably call me an attention seeker, but I ain't letting that make my emotions weaker. I came so far and I'm so proud, I'm just gonna carry on speaking my poetry out loud. I'm a young freelance poet who was born and raised in the city of Manchester.